In this video, we are going to talk about the distances on the coordinate plane. Now let's just briefly talk about what a horizontal line is and a vertical line. A horizontal line is like our x-axis. Our x-axis is an example of a horizontal line, and a horizontal line is a line that goes from left to right. Okay? And a vertical line is a line that goes up and down. So we can create lines or line segments between two different points. So if I draw a point here and a point here, I can say that there is we can draw a line from these 2 points. Now we can measure the distance between 2 lines on the coordinate plane when they are vertical and when they are horizontal, which is what we're going to do today. One last thing is the distance. Distance is how many units between 2 points. And remember, distance is always positive. Okay? So let's take this example, the example 1. It says, what are the coordinates of C and A? So let's find C. C is right here, and A is right here. Okay? Now, let's look at A first. A, we have to go over to +1, so our x value is +1, and then our y value, we have to go up 3 to get there, so 1, 3. And our C value is very similar. We have to go over to 1 again, but this time we have to go down 1, so we have -1. So C is 1, -1, and A is 1, 3. In order for them to line up, they must have something in common. So in this case, what does C and A have in common? They both have an x coordinate of 1. Okay? Now, A and C, we can draw a perfectly vertical line to get from A to C. Let me make that a little bit better. Okay? And we want to know the distance between A and C. How many units are A and C from each other? So to get from A to C, I like to count with like loops. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They are 4 units away. So the distance from C to A is 4 units. We could have also thought of it like this. So here we could call this like where the origin is to 0. So A is 3 units from 0 in the y. And their y value for C is 1 unit from 0. So together that is 4 units from, I shouldn't say 0, I should say from the x-axis. They're both, A is 3 units from the x-axis, C is 1 unit from the x-axis, so together it is 4 units. Okay? And let's just do this last one here. We have B and E. So I'm going to erase my work here so that we're not confused. B and E. So B is here, and E is here. So let's get the coordinates of B and E first. So if I always start at the origin, I have to go left and right first. So left, to get to B, I have to go 1, 2 units left. So this is -2. And 1, 2 units down. So that is -2 as well. Let's look at E. E is starting from the origin. You go 4 units to the right. So that is +4, and then 2 units down, which is -2. So B is -2, -2, and E is 4, -2. This time, they have the same y value. They have the same y value. Okay, so now we're going to look at the x values to find their distance. We can also draw our line from B to E and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they are 6 units away from each other. We could have also seen that in our x value. The x value is 2 units from the y-axis, and the x value here is 4 units from the y-axis, making that a combined 6 units apart. Now, when they have, let's just look at one other thing. When they both have the same x coordinate, that means this formed a, where were we? They have the same, we had A and C here. That formed a vertical line. When they have the x coordinate, it's going to form a vertical line. When they have the same y coordinate, that is always going to form a horizontal line.